right, special thanks to Jin, who were nice enough to send me HDMI 2.1 switch. So as you can see, nothing around the box besides their information on the front, not even really anything on the back besides the little sticker and those logos. So let's open this on up. No tape or anything. And there we are, look at that. So there's the item and an instruction manual, and that's it for the box. All right, so the instruction manual kind of gives you a better idea of what that I'm not able to show you. What you're able to do is take two separate HDMI devices and use one HDMI cable to switch between them. So this could be used on a computer if you're switching between monitors, that would work. It could also be used on a TV. So like if you only had one port available on your TV and you just got a new Nintendo Switch, and so then you plug your PlayStation into one, your Nintendo Switch into one, and then you just press that little button to switch between them. Inside is a little bit of the specifications as well as some how-to information. You can see the Ultra 48 gigabits switch. So it's definitely got a ton of speed, compatible with Xbox, PS5 monitors, some more specs information here. And let's actually look at our little device here. So it comes with this cable to power it. So a USB-C type cable to power the device, but it plugs in with USB, so that should be pretty good. You could hopefully plug this into the back of your TV and everything would work. And then wow, this feels like almost a network switch. It's very durable. So you can see here is where your power goes in, and this is where your cable would go into that would plug into your TV or your receiver. Down here is where like you'd plug in your PlayStation and your Nintendo. And then literally you would, this little light here would light up to tell you which one it's on, and click the button and it'll switch to the other one. So I might actually end up using this on my computer because I have an Xbox in this room that's plugged into a monitor, and so with this I could switch it over to the Xbox and still be able to play the Xbox in the room and then switch it back when I need to play on my TV. So that's essentially it for this unboxing. Like I said, you plug your monitor or receiver into the single port, plug this into power, and then plug in each device and then just switch between them. Quality of this feels truly great. Like I said, it feels like a little network switch if you've ever touched one of those. So it's not cheap, it's actually metal, like feels very good. And it's up to 8K. So I mean, that makes it, it's a little bit future proof in the sense that, if you're using this now and you got an 8K TV later on, you'd still be able to keep this and use it because it'd work with it. So there we go. That will do it for this Jin 8K bi-directional switch. KVM switch is what some people call them. Well, it may not be KVM since there's no mouse and keyboard, but it's a multi-port switch. So 2 thumbs up to them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.